Hi everyone, welcome at a new Plan With Me video. This week is my birthday week. My birthday is on October 8th. And until then, I'm going to post a new video every day on my YouTube channel. Using all kind of planting, sticker books, products. For this week, I'm going to use the Halloween Vibe sticker book. And I will be using the cute dog stickers. And I might also use some washi tapes that some washi tapes that are matching with the stickers. I'm not sure which ones yet, but I just want to keep them on hand. In my Plan With Me videos, I just have a relaxed background music on and I'm just focusing on creating my planner, so I won't talk. That's the best style working for me, and I hope you also enjoy that type of Plan With Me videos. I'm ready to start planning, so let's go. So I think I'm done with this cute birthday Halloween animal, dog, cats, fox spread. I really enjoyed creating this spread with all these cute stickers and using also a little bit more of a pastel colors this time instead of the normally purple, orange, green, and just a little bit softer colors. As you probably see, I really like the little reference to Harry Potter, also with the hats and the glasses. And yeah, I'm really happy how it turned out. Really happy. So for this spread I used the Halloween Vibe sticker book, the Autumn Tones plain boxes, and the basic boxes. I really liked how I was able to layer multiple shapes and colors boxes with the cute stickers of the Halloween Vibe sticker books. I also used these 4 washi tapes. I will link them also in the description so you can see which ones I exactly use for this spread. I'm excited for this day, for October 8th, and my birthday, and my family is coming over, so it's going to be really fun. I really hope this spread gives you some inspiration as well to use the Halloween Vibe sticker book and maybe also the other 2 sticker books, how to use them. Thank you for watching this video and see you tomorrow at a new video. Bye!